Hi, this is Donnie Lowy at Closeout I want to show you a pallet that I have of full women's clothing. It is all brand name clothing by brands such as Susan Graver, Liz Claiborne, Quaker Factory. There are many brands, so let me give you an example of what you can receive. In the full clothing, you're going to get sweaters, zip-up jackets, long-sleeve blouses, dresses, pullovers. It's a really nice lot. Here's a button-down sweater by Liz Claiborne, size medium. We have here also blouses. Now all of the clothing is brand new overstock. It has its original labels and tags. Here's a long sleeve blouse by Logo, Lori Goldstein. Dresses, long skirts. Now this is only one of the boxes. Let me show you. Here's a button-down sweater by Quaker Factory, size medium. It's a holiday sweater, so it's great for the upcoming holiday season. Let's move over to this box. Here's another sweater by Susan Graver. Here we have a turtleneck sweater, color pink, by Linnea by Luis Deloyo, size large. We have long sleeve blouses. Here's a long sleeve blouse by Susan Graver. This one is size 6. The clothing has original retail values of up to $60 each. Here we have a sweater, long sleeve sweater by Linnea by Luis Deloyo, size medium, color light khaki. And let me take a step back so you can see. I have many boxes available. I have over 1,500 pieces of fall clothing. As the fall season approaches, I think it's a very good idea to stock up on this clothing. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1-917-913-6093. 1-917-913-6093. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day.